What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Empire. So the crypto market overall is slow to recover after Monday's massive liquidation event. However, I am noticing a recurring theme. There are a select few altcoins that are outperforming everything else. First of all, there is the decentralized perpetual exchange narrative with coins like Aster pushing almost to new all-time highs right now. CZ is actually going for the jugular, and he is trying to take out his competition by any means necessary. Hyperliquid is Aster's direct competition, and CZ just made Hype available to short with up to 300x leverage on Aster. This man is not playing games. He is here to absolutely take over. Also, something really interesting is the fact that the Korea Blockchain Week is happening right now, and there are altcoins that are actually official sponsors of this conference. There is 0G or Zero Gravity. This thing is less than 1 week old and it's pushing to new all-time highs while the rest of the market is in a slump. There is something very clear going on, a clear pattern that I'll be discussing in this video. So if you want to find out more about it, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So the Aster token is flying right now. It is making an attempt to crack the all-time high at $2.02. Right now the price is $1.93, and it did end up bottoming out right at the golden pocket. In my video just 2 days ago, I laid out the entry plan for Aster. I said to wait for it to come down to the golden pocket. We'll go ahead and play the clip right here. However, I wouldn't be surprised to see some type of corrective structure play out where you have basically an A, B, C, and then you continue the trend upwards higher. All the Elliott wave traders would know what I'm talking about. And that C wave might take this thing down to the golden pocket. All right, the golden pocket is coming in at $1.32 to $1.22. And as you can see, that played out perfectly. From that entry, the price is currently up 47%. We are not playing games here at Crypto Empire. Make sure you don't miss the next one. Subscribe to the channel right now and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. But what is causing Aster to pump so hard? Well, there is a war going on underneath the surface. Like I showed you in the intro to this video, CZ has made the Hyperliquid token, which is Aster's direct competition, available to short with up to 300x leverage on the exchange. Also with that, Hyperliquid is losing a ton of market share to its competition, which is the Aster DEX as well as the lighter DEX. So in May, Hyperliquid actually had 71% of the on-chain crypto perpetuals market, and that number now stands at 38%. That is a massive decrease of almost 50%. They are losing market share by major ground because Aster and CZ are here again to take over. So when it comes to the Aster token, I would look for this thing to break the all-time high. And when it comes to the next price targets, what I can do is pull a fib and put some Fibonacci extensions up on the chart. And if we look at these Fibonacci extensions, we have some pretty obvious price targets coming up next. First of all, we have the negative 618 coming in at $2.48. This is going to be a major target. Next, we have the negative 618 coming in at $3.23. All right, so I would be looking at these negative 618 and negative 1618 targets as your next levels for the Aster token to hit. This thing is primed up and it looks like it is ready to make a run into price discovery. Should you FOMO in now? Well, I can't make that decision because I gave you the entry down here below $1.30 just 2 days ago, and here it is flying, about to make a new all-time high. Again, this is why you guys need to be subscribed to the channel. But Aster is looking very bullish right now, and it does not look like it does want to stop. But yes, in regards to the Korea Blockchain Week, there's a very clear pattern going on. The projects that are sponsoring the Korea Blockchain Week, well, these are the ones the market makers are deciding to pump right now. There is 0G, Zero Gravity, and Zero Gravity is a new AI coin. They are leading the way to make AI a public good. The market cap of this thing is $1.1 billion. The fully diluted valuation is $5.5 billion. Now, if we go take a look at the price chart, well, the 0G token is just a few days old. Right here in the daily price chart, it's less than 1 week old. Started trading on Wednesday, September 17th. It is now September 23rd. And from inception, from the opening candle, this thing is actually up. It made a high of 344%, and it's currently up 261%. So this thing is flying. and it's currently in the midst of a pullback, and it does look like it may give a nice entry opportunity soon. So as you guys know here at Crypto Empire, I don't like to FOMO into pumps. I like to look for the retracement to get the best entry possible. This way my risk reward ratio is always at a favorable level. So with that being said, I am noticing how the zero gravity token is breaking this trend line here. So with these new tokens, they like to go on these parabolic pumps, but these parabolic pumps do not last forever. There is always a pullback. So with this thing looking like it wants to break trend right now, I would be looking for this to come down to its base support level. And that's coming in right at $4.20. So if you see 0G in the region of 420 to 425, that is your first level to look out for a buy zone. And if we pull a fib from the swing high to the swing low, it's super interesting to me. Where is the golden pocket? Well, the golden pocket is coming in right at $4.50 to $4.16, essentially right at that base support level that I just did outline for you. So for zero gravity, this is where I would be looking, and I would look for this thing to continue to push up. All right, if it doesn't want to pull back, that's fine. You cannot chase, you cannot FOMO, you cannot catch them all. That's simply the game we play as market speculators here in the highly volatile cryptocurrency market. Smash the like button if you guys agree. Now, also, there's another interesting project that's performing really well. There is this Korean streaming coin that is around 1 month old called Sidekick, and the ticker symbol for this one is K. Now, this one has a low market cap at $21.1 million. Fully diluted is 190 million. And like I said, this is some kind of Korean streaming coin with the creator capital markets narrative. Same thing as like Pump Fund or the Zora token on base, the creator capital markets. But again, there's Korea Blockchain Week going on, and this is a Korean project. Don't believe me? Well, they have an English Twitter account and they have a Korean Twitter account. This is a straight up Korean project right here at Korean Blockchain Week, and we are seeing the K token go ahead and fly as well. Here is the price chart for K, and if we look at the daily time frame, well, this thing has been in the gulag for quite a bit. Again, around 1 month old, it did launch Friday, August 8th, and it did actually go down around 50% in the first month after it did launch. However, that downtrend has now reversed, and it looks like it is going for a breakout. All right, so I would be looking for the Sidekick K token to go ahead and flip this 20-cent level as well as this bearish trend line. If it can break this trend line, well, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing go on a pretty big pump. We'll see how this does line up with the overall market. But in general, these coins, the Korea Blockchain Week coins, as well as coins like Aster, these are the ones that the market makers are choosing to pump right now. The cabal is buying these, and they don't care about your legacy bags, right? Go look at crypto bubbles. Most of these coins are up 1%, 2%. The only big movers right now are the ones that are new, that the cabal has full control over. So if you don't follow the money, you're going to be stuck here wondering why your bags don't pump. Well, I just told you why they're not pumping. It's Korea Blockchain Week, and CZ is also going for the jugular. So in this video, we went over how the only coins moving right now are the coins that either CZ is pushing to new all-time highs, such as Aster, or the coins sponsoring the Korea Blockchain Week. The Koreans are choosing to pump a few of these altcoins, and it's super obvious to me once you can go ahead and see the patterns. I showed you the patterns in this video. There are a few more tokens out there, but there's the K token as well as 0G that are moving right now that are providing some really, really good gains if you are trading these tokens. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing the like button down below. Also, if you're not subscribed to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.